today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump shutoff switch or inertia switch location on your 2003 to 2006 Ford Expedition. The inertia switch in a Ford vehicle is a safety feature designed to shut off the fuel pump in the event of a collision or sudden impact. This helps prevent fuel from continuing to flow and reduces the risk of fire after an accident. If triggered, the switch needs to be manually reset to restore fuel pump operation. In order to locate the switch, open the rear lift gate. The switch is located in the left quarter trim panel. Remove the access panels to reveal the switch. If the switch is in the down position, this is the operating position. The fuel pump is being supplied power. If the switch is in the up position, this is the trip position. The fuel pump is not being supplied power. In order to reset the switch, turn the ignition to the off position. After verifying there are no leaks in the fuel system, reset the switch by pushing in on the red reset button. Turn the ignition to the on position. Wait a few seconds. Turn the ignition to the off position. Verify there are no leaks in the fuel system. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.